Nice to meet you again. It's another trading day. It's Wednesday. It's the 2nd of June. And I'm really happy to have you here in this great morning briefing show from Admirals. And my name is Markus Gabel. I'm the host of the show. And I want to say thank you to my moderator, Anna. Wonderful good morning. And of course, wonderful good morning to all you. And I'm talking to the world. I'm really happy to have you here, every single one of you, because I know how hard this fight could be in trading. So let's do another trading day. Let's work together and let's be successful all together. So let me say good morning to YouTube as well, because you know there are my notes. And we stream this show from Zoom live on YouTube as well. So if you have any questions, and give us a like, you will find a button on the right side of your chart, of your picture, so you can subscribe it, and there is a bell, so you can click on it so you get a notification if someone new here. And of course, give us a like if you say this show is really cool, and if you say no, that's not, then thumb down. Whatever is most important thing, you get an action. So if you want to know something, or if you have a comment, then you will find a commentary field below that YouTube video, so you can leave your comment, whatever is in your mind. We want to build up here a grateful family around the world. And I'm sure this is my POE. This is my purpose of existence, to make all of you successful with trading and to bring peace and happiness and love back in our lives, in our whole life, because we're all suffering around the world about coronavirus. But now it's time to look forward. Now it's time to build up new mood, and we can do that through trading, because trading could be very, very successful and could make you really, really satisfied. So good morning on YouTube as well. I can see it here. Carl, wonderful good morning. Mihai, Don, Nico, wonderful good morning. 60 points, 60 points. Narissa, Albert, wonderful good morning. And on Zoom, so let's check and let's switch to the charts, and let me fix my technical part so I can see your comments too, guys. So I'm really happy that we can do that every morning, and let me say thank you to Admirals that we can work together every morning. So feel free to ask whatever is in your mind, guys. And the leading topic, as you can see in the slide right now, Kanye, wonderful good morning. Darom on YouTube as well, wonderful good morning. What you can see is an interesting topic. Are young traders better? Better than what? Of course, better than like me, the older ones, of course. Think it a little bit true, because we made a poll about that. And as you know, we want to go through the first slide. Success, guys, is not a fantasy. It's a formula. And if we trade and we stick to the rules, we have a great chance to make money and to become successful. You know, that's the basic 4 rules. Valid trend is needed. It should be a young trend. We should trade out of the correction. And the signal is a kind of balanced candle you can see only in Heiken Ashi. Ian, good morning. Plum and Michael, Alexander, wonderful good morning. Guyula, wonderful good morning. Thomas also. I love that you're here with me today. So let's see. And by the way, if you want to follow Admirals, then of course on YouTube, on Twitter, hashtags Admirals Global. And if you want to follow me, then you have your options: Instagram, Twitter. There I'm most busy on Twitter. Of course, DayTrader70 is the name there, or Facebook, or maybe the live trading room for the rest of the day on twitch.tv/DowHowTrader. It's free of charge for you. Okay, so I guess we should go through our morning routine. And first of all, let's see our upcoming events. And the upcoming events are really clear. Australian is over. So we had GDP forecast was 1.5. The previous one is 3.1. That's really cool. And we expect the API statistical bulletin today from USA. So if you want to have a more detailed information, then please open a real account on Admirals, one of the best broker ever I know, and I have my own real account there, of course. So then you can log in, for example, and then you can log in your own Admirals. That's cool. Yeah. There we go. That's the presentation effect, I guess, right? Here we go. But let's do it so you know what's happened here. So now, get it, log in. So, and if you have a login here, then you have on the left side your premium analytics. And so that means here you have more detailed information. So PPI today, we expect you can click here. So you see what's happened today, Wednesday, API weekly statistics. So you can click on that and then you see what assets does this have an effect maybe. So crude oil and so on. And of course, the latest commentary on Euro USD, for example, and the sentiment chart, etc. So you see you have a lot of information there. And of course, you can click on one or maybe cryptos, any news there about that, so you can see it. Or if you're interested in indices like Dow Jones, for example, we trade in live trading and we have an open trend. Very excited because we are still in profit again. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so you have a lot of information there. And by the way, today it's Wednesday, and you know, Wednesday is webinar time. Today, our congenius partner, the one and only author from Germany, Mr. Jens Klatt, is talking about today how to prepare for the inevitable inflation and where to invest your money. Please join it and spend your precious lifetime with him, because he will talk about a lot of interesting things, by the way. So, great. I guess that was the most important things for today. And now let's go through our charts. And we start with our running trades. So this is Australian dollar, Swiss franc. So, and as you can see here right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth correction right now. And the price is still struggling here with that price. But we made a profit. There was a profit. That was a small loss here. And now we are in profit again. And we want to make a partial selling here at the point of high. And basically, our final target is the point of control. So, and be aware that the purple line is my soft stop, which means if I will have a close above, then I trail my stop loss. But actually, we are really deep in profit and everything is fine. So I know, you know, this trade is running since when we started this trade. Here we go, I guess. Let's see. Australian Swiss franc, we started, 12th of May, of course. 12th of May. So, and now, 3 weeks roundabout. And now you realize why you must be strong enough for trading. And this is what we want to do together. So it's always more easy to work together, because if you do that alone, I'm quite sure, so like me in my past, I'm quite sure you had stopped this trade already, yeah? Because latest, when the price is going up again, then most of the people are really afraid about a trader, afraid, oh my gosh, it's going up. But you see, nothing happens, nothing happens. Trust the system and trust the price. And finally, there are only two options, guys. First option, we reach the point of control. And the second option is the point of control moved to another place where the market feels comfortable, but actually it doesn't. So the next point, which could be dangerous to the point of control, is here, but then we are close to the point of control. So trust the system, trust two things, price and trend. Trading could be that easy. Simple, never easy, because simple is the system. Easy, it's not easy, because the human part, it works against you. So this is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We open the trade here to continue the trend to the upper side. Actually, we have a little bit falling prices, which means we are a little bit in loss, but the purple line means the soft stop. And here you can see that's my money I wanna invest around 70 euro. But if I will have a close below the point, below my soft stop, it's a mental stop. Yeah, it's just a normal ordinary line, and you can connect it with an alert if you want. So then I will trail my hard stop when I have a small loss. Yeah, but I can then if I will get out, we should have it on the watch list, still on the watch list, because the trend is still valid. Yeah. Ananya, wonderful good morning. I hope you're doing good. How are you? Because you suffered with Corona, I know, and nice to have you here back. Tell me, how are you? Okay, so Euro Australian dollar. That's cool. So you see that's the trend. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the trend. And now we are going up again. The purple line, that's my soft stop. And at the last 0.3, at the previous previous 0.3, there is my hard stop. Here I calculated my money. I want to invest in that trading idea. And this is really cool. Maybe you should set that in your kind of wording. Yeah, stop talking in risk management, because a couple of days ago we talked, or 2 weeks ago, I guess we had a special session. There is no, basically, if you think it really through, there is no risk in trading, because risk means you don't know what happens. It's indeed right that we don't know what happens to the right side, but in worst case, we know what could happen, that we stop out, that we get out of the market, and then I know how much money I can lose. So there is no risk. The rest is not risk, the rest is probability. That's different to risk. We have no risk in trading. Only if you do kind of, yeah, may I say that, stupid things, to work without a stop loss, to work with too much leverage, too high value in the market, too many contracts, too many lots, which not fit to your comfort zone, which not fit to your penguin factor. That is risk, yeah? But this is not proper trading. In trading, in proper trading, we don't have any kind of risk. Yeah, we have probabilities, and the rest is calculated money management, completely different. So used to say, my stop means that is that money I want to invest in that business. And that business is my trade, which means that's my trading idea. And I invest in that, invest that specific money in that idea. And if that idea doesn't work, yeah, then the money is gone. Okay, but it's just an investment. It's like you want to open a new shop, or maybe whatever, pizza shop, whatever you want to open, or a gift shop. Then you invest in that trading idea. You don't know if this shop will work really fine. You don't know, but you invest that money. And in trading, it's a good idea to think exactly in the same way. So therefore, I invested that money, but if I realize I'm sitting in the wrong bus, although I bought the right ticket, but maybe my bus driver got a heart attack, or maybe he decided he want to go home and try and turn the bus, then I have to go out to the next station, by the way, yeah? So Ananya, wonderful. She's doing good, fine. Almighty forgive me and for his mercy I can join with you all. Thanks for asking. Yeah, I'm really happy that our Lord protected you through that Corona suffering. I'm really happy to have you here back, Ananya. Greetings to you, and feel beloved here in this family. Okay, so let's let it go, and I hope we can cope the challenge of this high volume zone. And I'm quite sure that we will see the breakouts, that we can go higher and we can go back to the point of control. Yeah. So let's see. That's Euro Canadian dollar, and you know we had our soft stop here. And let me explain you again. With this candle, with if you, maybe let me show you this. If you are a little bit confused about the bars, I'll give you a quick trick. So click on properties, then you see bar up and bar down. So take the same color like the background, and you will see the bars hide. So you see, that's clear. Okay, so fine. As you can see, we had the entry here, and with this candle, or with the next candle, we had a clear close below my purple line, my soft stop. And then I trailed my hard stop closer from the last 0.3 closer. So I will have a small loss. But actually, you can see, if you learn not to intervene into your trade, you see what happens. You don't know what happens on the right side. Yeah. So it's a good idea to calculate your money, to trail a stop, to work with a soft stop, but never intervene by your hands. Yeah. Put in your desk and take this word: just watching, don't touching. Okay. Especially for the male traders, guys. Okay. Female traders can always touch. We love it, but not the male traders, okay? So this is Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, damn it, long running trade. As you see, we want to reach the point of control on the lower side. And we are still on track, but it's up to now, we couldn't continue the trend to the lower side, but let it run. We are in profit. And you see, we sold already half the position. We had the stop loss or the soft stop in profit, so nothing can happen. There is no reason. There is absolutely no reason to intervene into your trade. So who is that? Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's still running. Absolutely, Alexander, it's still running. Let me just here, let's see, Alexander, it's still running, yeah. Okay, so next one is British pound, US dollar. So, and I expected this behavior, that we could not cope that challenge of this high from from February this year, and now the price is going down again. But we sold already half of our position because we made money already, as you can see here. Just where is it? So this is no, that's not one. History. So let me show another color. So you see, that's the money. We sold already half of our position. The stop, the mental stop, the soft stop is in profit, and everything is fine. Yeah. So if you want to feel a little bit more comfortable, then it's completely fine if you trail your hard stop below the last ordinary and proper 0.3. It's completely fine. Then you are in profit. Yeah. And then it's a free ride. Yeah. Let it go. If you get out, we made money, and that was the part, that was the job, what we have to do, but never intervene into that trade. Especially, you see, there is a a kind of volume zone there. And it is possible that the price will move there again to the upper side. Therefore, I have my soft stop there. Yeah. So, but the trend is still valid. And as long as we don't get a bit lower than the last 0.3, which is here at 149.0, the trend is still valid, and the trend continuation is always more likely than a trend break, guys. Okay, please be aware of that. Yeah, and the other ones, Euro, Polish zloty. Yeah, we are on track, guys. And I guess we can sell a half the position at the point of low. Sorry, point of high, of course. And yeah, it's running. That's the big key factor, diversification in trading. Yeah, that's really cool. And this is another wonderful trade. So US dollar, Czech krone, weekly chart. Only the Mexican, yeah, don't want to work for us. It doesn't want to work for us, actually. But we trailed a soft stop and yeah, let it go. Let it go. And the next one is crude oil. Yeah, we are kind of in profit here. And if you want, in weekly chart, of course, trail a soft stop. Soft stop is below the previous candle from last week. So, and we expect that we reach that high here. And of course, we have so much more space to go. Look at this one. That's cool, right? Let's see what happened. It's just a trading idea, guys. Okay. So then you want to see day trading? God, it's kind of cool, guys, right? Therefore, I say, guys, we can make money. So you look at this one. Yeah, we opened the trade yesterday because we stuck to the rules all the time. And at that moment, we had the opening yesterday. And therefore, as a consequence, in the afternoon, they created a new trend. And latest with this correction, yeah, we had all rules fit, so they were valid. At that moment here, around about 6:45 in the evening, PM, of course, there was the signal here. And it was round about 6 o'clock. PM. So, and I decided, okay, it's a kind of tricky because we are within the red zone. So I decided to open the trade close to the last 0.2 to speculate on a trend continuation. And as you could see, it happens. And here I decided before I started the trade, my plan was finished and was ready. I said, if we will reach the point of control, I will sell half of my position. So, and then I trail my soft stop 0.3 by 0.3. So, and as you can see, the price went up. Yeah, but with that partial purchase, I was fine. It was a free ride. Yeah, I couldn't lose that much money. And that's fine. That gives you a cool feeling. So you can let the market run. You can let the winners run. Yeah. That's really cool. And this is what we train here in this morning briefing show. Every morning, Monday to Friday, 8:30, right before the markets open. Yeah. So join this and spread it. Please do it. If you love your people around you and you think they deserve the same success like you, because you want to plant good seeds for your own karma, believe me, it's the best thing you can do. And it will come back to you because the reaction is always bigger than the cause. So do it, believe me. And with that, we can change the whole world. Believe me, we can do it together. We can make Admirals great again, more great. And we can do it all together to change that world in a much more better place. And this is what I'm doing all day long and almost all night long. Okay. So what's happened right now? Nothing. Yeah, we have a broken downtrend, but this happens this night. This happened this night. And now we have a kind of uptrend right now. So that's the last correction. But I trailed my soft stop. I will trail it a little bit closer because right now to save the trade. And of course, what happens, how we handle this day trade right now. And by the way, if you want to follow that, you can join our common live trading room. It's on Twitch. Again, look at this one. Here it's on Twitch. You see, here you see that. You can follow me there. It's completely free for you. So let's see what we can do here. So what's the plan? If I will have a close above my purple line, then I trail my hard stop and then I will get out. If that happens, then we have a new uptrend and we can work with the new signals and then we can go long. Yeah, but just watching, not touching at the moment. And this is what we are doing all day long. So you can do it. And we talk about that every morning. So it's very, very important that you join this session every morning on YouTube or maybe here on Zoom if you want. So if you say, yeah, why do you don't trade more in day trading? Yeah, let me tell you this one. You know that? What's that? Yeah, it's a dice, of course. I know it's a red dice. I know, but what's the story behind? So I suppose you watched a YouTube show and you checked the shows from previous ones. We talk about the law of probability. So, which means you cannot miss a signal. So, and I have a lot of other things to do. I do coachings, I have webinars, I have to trade by myself, by the way, and I have my live trading room, I have my Dow family, of course, and therefore, I only can trade with one day trading that I may not miss a signal. That's really important. It's completely enough, guys. It's complete enough that the target, the goal is to make money every week beside of our swing trades. Yeah, and that's really cool. And there is one market completely enough. Yeah, so you can watch it on maybe on your phone if you want. You can get any signals if you want, and that's really cool. And this is the way how we can make money with day trading as well. And you see, it is possible, and it's not. It is not. How should I say? It's not necessary that you jump in and jump out and be excited about that. No, in day trading, it's a very important thing that you stick to the rules also. Yeah. So, but is that easier for younger guys, or is it easier for the older traders? What do you think? So Anna, if you want, we can open the poll for the day, because my question for you today is, are young traders better than the older ones? So what do you think? Here's the poll, and I would appreciate it a lot if you push the button, because we have 3 answers. Yes, they are. Or it doesn't matter. Or no, the older traders are the better one. So what do you think? Yeah, we have the same in YouTube. So push there 1, 2, or 3. Are young traders better than the older ones? So what do you think? Yes, they are, or it doesn't matter. Or no, the older traders are better. So we keep it a little bit open and go through the rest. Still on the watch list, US dollar, Canadian dollar. And here's interesting, the trader sentiment. And you can do it here as well. I guess I can do it right now. And here is the sentiment trader in MetaTrader 5, a special edition sentiment trader. So open it. I fear that this will happen. Yeah, it's on my 4th screen and this is not. I fear, yeah, Jesus Christ. Okay, so no, it's on my other screen. Okay, let's see. I can show you there in my Excel file. So Australia, US dollar, Canadian, you see, it's going to be less. Yesterday 94, today 87, which means a kind of more traders, private traders, switch now to the short side. Now, of course, unless since they lost all their money, now they realized, maybe it's a short trend. Oh my gosh, maybe I should go short right now. Yeah, guys, that's the sad story behind not having this big, deep knowledge about trading, okay? So that's now here we go, but we're waiting for a trend, yeah? Keep in your watch list. Euro, New Zealand dollar, yeah, the price is going up. Yeah, we want to cope that challenge, so wait for the next correction. Watch my Twitter account and you will see when I open it. New Zealand Swiss franc, we are waiting for a secondary trend, then the next correction, and then we go down. And of course, the chart from yesterday, Japanese Nikkei index, but you see the price is going up today. Yeah, so there is no need to set a pending order right now. Okay, that's not a need. Okay, so, and then here comes one wish. Okay, I do it for you. Then I have to talk about the other ones. And the question, the wish was Apple. Here we go. Okay, let's see, Apple. So, no, that's Apple Hospitality. That's not the right one, I guess. Who is Apple? I'm not a share trader. Sorry, Apple. Okay. Here we go. I have to apologize, but I'm not. I don't know. Sorry, I will do it tomorrow. Okay, it's stupid, that thing. Apple. No, I do it tomorrow. I have to prepare it for that. It's cost too much time right now. I'm not the trader. I'm not the share trader. Let's do it tomorrow. Okay, Thomas, please feel free to ask tomorrow again. I will prepare it tomorrow. Okay. So the question was, are young traders better than the older ones? So very, very interesting question. So we have a clear answer. It does not matter. By the way, 19% says no, the older traders are better, and 10% says yes, they are. So let's do it and let's talk about that. It's really, really interesting, guys. And I have to explain something about that. So are young traders better than the older ones? So there is no proper answer about yes or no. So think it through and it can give you the answer by yourself. It's related to our subconsciousness. Yeah. The point is, the older you are, the more firm your tenets in your mind, the more convinced you are from your believing tenets. You have a lot of experience in your life. The older you are, the more you are convinced about special things because they work in your life. And that's normal behavior. So you're very strong in your mindset. You're very strong that different specific things must work. And this is normal, completely normal human behavior. The older you are, the harder it is to change your mindset. But to become successful in trading needs changing your mindset. It's a need. It's a kind of duty, I would say. It's not an option. Oh, maybe I should, or maybe I can. No, to become successful in trading, you need to change your mindset. Why is it? In your life, most of the times you don't have to work with probabilities. Let me explain quick example, learning a language, and like English or Japanese or Chinese or whatever. So it's really easy. Learn a lot, you get your result earlier. Do much small things, you become your result earlier. That's normal thing. Become an expert, you know the results before. That's easy. That's really easy. So that way our life works. And the older you are, the more convinced that this is true, that this is an ultimate truth, that you can do it always in that way because it worked in your life. That's normal. And then you come to trading and you are on the right side of the chart and you think it works in the same way. Do more trades, you get more money. Yeah. Try different things, you get more money. Yeah. Do the same like in your life, it must work. And then you realize it doesn't. It does not work. And then your mind is going crazy. And the older you are, the harder it is to change that, to leave your tenets in your mind, yeah, to change that. And therefore, younger traders are not better, because younger traders have another advantage, they have another obstacle, another challenge, because young traders have a lack of experience in life. So young traders used to jump from this one to this one to this one to this one. I tried this. Oh, I don't like it. I might try this one. Oh, I don't like it. I do this one today. Oh, I don't like this one. I do that one. So younger traders have another challenge. They have a fresh mind. They learn a little bit easier, but they used to jump, because they have different opinions every day. You know, today I like this girl, tomorrow I like this girl, and today I like this job, and tomorrow I like this job, and something else. Yeah. So there is no better or not bad or not being better. There's just different challenges. So in my opinion, the proper answer could be, indeed, it doesn't matter. It's a matter of if you are willing to change your mindset. For younger traders, it's easier to change the mindset because they have not so much firm tenets in your mind, in their subconscious, yeah, like an older ones. Yeah, but the older ones, we have other challenges, like me, to change the mindset, to realize and to accept that things that work really good in your life will never work in trading. That's different, guys. So there is just only one answer. It doesn't matter. It's a matter of if you're willing to change. And for younger, if you're willing to follow one plan. If you like red, then stay red. If you like blonde girls, then stay blonde girls. If you like black girls, then stay black girls. And in trading, it's the same. If you like this one, stay at this one, but stop jumping. And for the older ones, I know you love black or white or whatever, red or green or whatever, but you have to change your mindset. That's the point. So indeed, it doesn't matter. It's a matter of if you're willing, and to figure out if you're willing to change, you need a real and strong why. And that's the really deep cause. Is your real why, which is not money, by the way. The real money, the real why is the real cause, which is responsible for your real success in trading and in life, by the way. So that's a kind of topic for today. Maybe you can think it a kind of through. Yeah, you can think about it, and you can give me a message, maybe on video, on YouTube below that video. If you have any comments about that, type it there. We can get in touch, or maybe in the live trading, or send an email to Admirals, whatever. Okay, guys, I want to say thank you for your lifetime. Thank you for your attention. I hope we'll see each other tomorrow. Again, 8:30, right before the markets open, or maybe later in the live trading room on Twitch. I'm really happy to see you there. And thanks to Anna, and thanks to Admirals and single one of you. And have courage and be kind. And may the force of the rules be with you. See you.